In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make just an invoice on Shopify 5 minutes. If you need a simple professional invoice you can send right from Shopify, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and how to test it before you use it with customers. We'll use Shopify's built-in order invoice email, so you don't need any extra apps or complicated setup. Start by going to Shopify and signing into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the configuration options that affect how your store communicates with customers. Inside Settings, select Notifications. This section controls every email and message Shopify can send on your behalf. You'll see categories for different types of messages, and we're interested in the ones that go directly to customers. Find the Customer Notifications area, then open it. Here, Shopify groups messages like order confirmations, shipping updates, and the one we want today, the order invoice. The order invoice template is designed to provide a clear breakdown of charges and, if relevant, a button for the customer to complete payment. It automatically pulls in your store name, logo, if you've set one, the items, quantities, prices, taxes, and totals. That means you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. Click into Order Invoice to preview what it looks like. You'll notice standard professional formatting that works well on both desktop and mobile. If your branding is already set under your store's theme or brand settings, elements like your logo and colors can appear here automatically, keeping your invoices on brand without extra work. Before you use it with customers, it's smart to send yourself a quick preview. Click Send Test. Shopify will email a sample invoice to the contact associated with your admin so you can check layout, wording, and links. Give it a moment, then open the message on your phone and your computer to confirm everything looks good. If you don't see it at first, check your spam or promotions folder. Deliverability can depend on your email domain settings, so a quick test like this helps you catch anything early. Once your test looks right, you're all set. You now know exactly where the order invoice lives, how it formats your details automatically, and how to verify it before sending it to customers. Keep this path in mind: settings, notifications, customer notifications, order invoice, and use Send Test anytime you tweak your branding or want extra peace of mind. That's all you need to make a clean, reliable invoice in Shopify fast and confidently.